Hi everyone, welcome to our listing at 5905 Kensington Drive in Plano, Texas. This is a gorgeous traditional style home at the end of a cul-de-sac.
We can't wait to give you a tour. Let's go take a look inside.
Located in the popular Willow Bend West neighborhood, this home features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, and a half bath. It's close to upscale retail and dining, the Dallas North Tollway, and feeds into the prestigious Plano Independent School District. As you enter the home, you're greeted by a 2-story entry and open staircase.
To the right, you have the formal living room with detailed crown moldings and a gas fireplace. Just off the formal living room is your elegant dining room. French doors lead you into the executive study with built-in bookshelves.
As you continue into the home, you have the spacious family room with built-in bookshelves, a gas fireplace, and gorgeous views of the backyard.
And I love how the kitchen is open to the family room. Here you will find granite countertops, double ovens, and an island for prepping your favorite meal. And I want to point out that the current homeowners have an electric cooktop. However, it is plumbed with gas, so if you want to change it out, you could do so. And there is also an adjacent breakfast nook for informal dining.
Homeowners can escape to their luxurious primary suite. The spa-like bath has been updated with marble countertops, a soaker tub, and a large walk-in shower.
Upstairs you will find a large game room, plus 3 additional bedrooms.
Rosa, what do you think of this backyard?
I love everything about it. It has all the space you need for entertaining, plus it has mature landscaping. It's just gorgeous.
Homeowners can enjoy both a covered patio area and an arbor area for lounging. Under the arbor, you have a built-in grill and fridge, and who doesn't love a pool for the hot Texas summers? Thank you for spending the time to preview this beautiful home with us today. If you'd like more information, feel free to give either of us a call or check out our website at janritchie.com. I'm Jan Ritchie.
And I'm Rosa Collins, and we'll see you on the next home tour.